Hello, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, in today's video I want to make coconut rice. Okay, please, I will be glad if you subscribe down below, comment, like and share, and please remember to leave the bell icon on so that you will always be notified whenever I post a new video. So let's dive into the video.
Met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club playing songs.
I'll be using for this rice. I have fresh tomato. This fresh tomato, I'm going to slice it. I'm not going to blend it. I'm going to slice it. I have a carrot here, red bell pepper, green beans, green pepper, spices. I have different spices here, onion, pink onion, then the coconut, because we are cooking coconut rice. Okay, you can as well use a thin one. I'm actually using the main coconut because I like it when it tastes natural, and of course rice. So I will start by parboiling the rice. Then while the rice is on heat, I will go ahead to break the coconut. I will do that off camera, so keep watching. Yeah guys, I'm done breaking the coconut. As you can see, I have washed them. Now I'm going to blend them. Okay, so now I will go ahead to sieve it. I've mixed it with hot water, warm water, so you can use cold water. It depends on you. I'm done sieving it, as you can see. So I will go ahead to cut other ingredients. I will do that off camera. Keep watching. So now time to cook the rice. In a dry pot, pour in vegetable oil, allow it to heat, then add this chopped onion, stir it. Now add black pepper. You can use any pepper of your choice, but I chose to use the black pepper. Stir it, allow it to fry a bit, then add the chopped tomato. Okay, stir it and allow it to fry. Don't allow it to fry too much. Okay, just let it fry a bit, like you can leave it for like 3 minutes before adding water and other ingredients. After 3 minutes, guys, this is what you get. Now it's time to add the coconut water. Okay, wow, see the face of this is going to be yummy, guys. It's going to be yummy. At this point, I have to add in the spices. Stir it and allow it to boil for 5 minutes. Okay. So after 5 minutes, guys, it's time to add the rice. Now stir it gently, okay? Look at the face of this rice, so yummy. So allow it to cook until it is tender. You now add the vegetables, okay? First add the carrots, the green beans, stir it. Then lastly, you add the red bell pepper and the green bell pepper. Just allow it to simmer for 2 minutes and you are done with yummy coconut rice. So guys, here is our coconut rice. Wow, what do you think about this? Is it yummy? For me, this is the yummiest. I wish you guys can taste this. This is yummy, yummy. Oh my God. My family can't wait to finish this pot of rice this afternoon, this Sunday afternoon. Wow, I really appreciate you for watching to this part. Thank you so much. God bless you. To my new subscribers, I really appreciate you. To all subscribers, thank you so much. Please, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, comment, okay, and like. You can as well share to your family, share to your friend. Thank you until I come your way again. Bye bye for now.